solubility products. The principle of solubility product is applicable to the difficulty soluble salt in the saturation solution, and second is the occurrence of the precipitation, third is the prevention of precipitation, resolution of the substance. There are the four principles for the solubility product, and their examples are the a difficulty soluble salt APBQ on the dissociations provide a relative number of P cation and Q anion. APBQ is the equilibrium that is equal to the Pa positive and B negative. Hence, the solubility product APBQ is equal to the A plus and B negative Q. There are the two types of sign, that is first is the cation and second is the Q is anion. Are generally used for the express the molar concentration. So there are the four solubility principles, and the example is the difficulty soluble salt dissociate providing relative number of P cation and Q anion, that is shown by the equilibrium APBQ to the Pa positive and BQ negative. Solubility product is the equal to A positive and B negative and are generally used to express the molar concentration. Hence, the solubility product APBQ is equal to the A positive P multiply the B negative Q, that is anion and cation, used to express the molar concentration. Common ion effect. The common ion effect is the solubility of the slightly soluble salt is decreased if excess of the either of its ion added and the slightly soluble salt Ba get dissociates. Ba is equal to the B positive plus A negative and KSP, B positive and P the A negative, that is anion, B and A cation. There are types of gravimetric analysis, four types of gravimetric analysis: physical, thermogravity, electrodepositions, precipitation gravimetry. So there are the types of gravimetric analysis. In today's class I discussed about the types of gravimetric analysis, common ion effect,